Linda LaSalle Bryant. This is my daughter Jasmine. She's 10, and I would say that I wish that I had had someone to talk to me about money when I was a kid. I think things would be very different for me now. I'm a professional. I earn good money, but I never learned those basic lessons about how one manages money and how one accumulates wealth. So I want something better for my daughter. I want her to know those lessons, and I think it's really great that Candy is getting this word out to young kids so that they can change their futures.
Usually I get a little bit bored at like speeches. I don't find them interesting, but this one I was actually listening and I found it very interesting, and I really like the book. It's just because I'm not the best saver, everybody, and now I'm encouraged to try my best.
Yeah, to save, that's right. Thank you.